All right, I want to jump on here real quick, guys. This is, let me let YouTube 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and we should be live now. All right, really quick, I want to jump on here, and if you guys can see my screen, there was a big director and a 10% owner that sized up. He bought 1.5 million shares at $9.40 for a total of literally $14.5 million. And he bought it on the September 17th. It was reported today. ALPN is the ticker. So in after hours, it's up a little bit, but I wanted to show you kind of why I like the stock. One is, if you're looking at this chart, all right, it is directionally in the last, this year, it's directionally bearish for sure, but it's got this micro uptrend, and it's kind of following a little bit on the 20-day SMA. In fact, it keeps bouncing off of it right here, right? So if you look at the vertical line, this is where he bought, right? So he bought at the top, or not right at the top, but he's up about 40 cents in this trade. So decent little trade, but I would think that this is it. So if you look at here, it's a little bit below, but it's literally sitting on a trend line right now, right? I'd call it, I don't know, 980-ish, right in that point, right? Which is exactly where it's at, right? The next level of interest is going to be right here. And what's interesting about it is it sits on the 200-day SMA, right? The next level of interest is about $1 more, about 1070-ish, and really about 11 is really where it gets interesting. But 1070-ish, and if it could break through that, that's a good dollar. So if you're looking at risk reward, you've got a good 10% reward here for sure. And on a green day, if this stock is green tomorrow, I'd wait till it goes green to trade it. But then what I also like is on the RSI, it's at a 56 and it's climbing, right? So I'd like to see that above 60, really above 70. But here's the thing that we really liked. One is it's got a small float, right? It doesn't have a lot of high short interest, but it's a biotech, right? So it can explode at any time. So this guy buys almost $15 million of this stock. Really, I'm not saying it's a YOLO call, but for no apparent reason, right? So something's about to go down. What does this guy know? And that's what we're looking at, right? So that's I like to have 2 or 3, but I wouldn't call this a YOLO call, but it's real close. Like, why is he buying right here, even though it's in this micro trend following the SMA 20. So with that being said, guys, I'm going to jump off here. That is our one trade today. It's ALPN, and you can trade that on Wednesday. With that said, guys, we'll see you. Watch your 6. Watch your 6. Go hard in the paint. We'll see you next time. Appreciate it.